Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with organic terrace gardening tips. First and foremost, what is organic terrace gardening? Well, it is nothing but growing fruits or vegetables or any other plants without using pesticides or chemicals on one's rooftop of the house. Terrace gardening is picking up the most urban areas of the world as people find less space to grow the plants. Growing vegetables organically is fun and profitable. Now, let's discuss more on benefits of terrace gardening, methods of terrace gardening, how to set up a terrace garden, and terrace gardening tips, etc. Terrace gardening inputs or terrace gardening requirements. Before starting to set up a terrace garden, you should be aware of what you are growing organically. According to that, you should make preparation for the garden. You can grow plants on the terrace with raised beds or container or pots. You should select a space on the terrace as per your convenience and where you can expect good sunlight. The size of the garden depends on your plant and available space on the terrace. Depending on the space available on the terrace, you should purchase good enough containers or pots to set up organic terrace gardening. When growing plants in terrace, there should be good water facility. Providing an overhead water tank is recommended for easy watering. If the area is a little big terrace, you can adopt a small drip system as well. While growing vegetables or fruits or flowers on the terrace, keep in mind that some of them prefer bright sunlight and some not. To protect the plants from heat stress in summer, you can provide shade nets on the terrace. Providing shade nets are beneficial during the rainy season as well. It will prevent overwatering, which can cause root diseases. You must secure the right inputs or the required tools or items that maintain your organic terrace garden. You can get gardening kits or toolboxes in stores. You need these tools for regular activities of pruning, trimming, or pinching off the leaves or stems. Containers or big pots are the main inputs to your terrace garden. There are many varieties of containers available in market. Choosing the right container is very important. The soil plays a major role in organic terrace gardening. Don't use the soil dug from your surroundings. The soil must have good organic matter to use in the roof again. The best gardening soils are available in local nurseries and in any garden stores. You can supplement organic compost, coco peat, into your soil for more nutrients. In case you are planning to grow plants on raised beds, convenient beds should be prepared for planting your vegetables. You can grow seedlings in seed trays and transplant them into containers. You can grow seedlings in places like small cardboard boxes if you are not available to afford the seed trays. Quality and disease-resistant organic seeds are more important for your garden. Buy these seeds from certified stores. Don't buy from online stores as germination percentage would be less. Instead of wasting time with seeds, you can directly buy healthy seedlings from good nurseries and transplant them directly in containers or pots. As we are talking about organic, don't use any pesticides. In case of any plant pests and diseases in terrace gardening, use organic fertilizers such as neem cake, neem oil, vermicompost, garden compost, well-decomposed farmyard manures like cow dung may be used. How to start organic terrace gardening. The soil should be well mixed with other organic fertilizers before placing the soil in containers. After filling the garden soil in containers, leave them for overnight. If you are planning to direct seedling, plant 2 to 3 seeds in the middle of the containers. You go 2 to 3 inches deep for planting seeds. You can find the planting instructions on the seed bag. Leave the containers for overnight with sown seeds. Next day, morning water the containers without disturbing the soil. You should water the containers or raised beds regularly until the seed starts germinating. Avoid overwatering as it causes seed rotting. It is required to protect newly erupted seedlings from predators like birds. Provide any shade net for purpose. This can also prevent extreme sunlight for your young seedlings. Depending on the variety, vigor, the plants start growing within weeks after sowing. You can thin the plants by keeping only one healthy plant in container. For preventing soil moisture from the container, you can use any mulch material like dry leaves. This can also prevent any weeds growing in container apart from conserving the soil moisture. Later on, it decomposes and works as excellent organic compost. Pests in organic terrace gardening. Monitor container plants for following pests in organic terrace gardening. They are spider mites, aphids, thrips, scale, whiteflies. This can be controlled by spraying insecticidal soap. Apply the spray when the sun isn't directly on the foliage and never spray when the temperature is above 31 degrees Celsius. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.